Understanding Bite-Sized Trailers, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might come across in the world of movies, series, or even in the context of books and games. We're talking about bite-sized trailers. This term has become quite popular, and understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of contemporary media. So, let's dive in and discover what bite-sized trailers are all about. Firstly, let's break down the phrase into two parts: bite-sized and trailers. Bite-sized refers to anything that is small or miniature in size, just like a bite of food. It's easily consumable in a short amount of time. When we apply this concept outside of food, it means something that's quick and easy to digest or understand. Trailers are short previews or advertisements for a film, TV show, video game, or book. They give you a glimpse of what to expect, highlighting key moments or themes to intrigue and attract the audience. So, when we combine these terms, bite-sized trailers are short, easily digestible previews of upcoming or existing media content. They're designed to be quick and engaging, offering a sneak peek without taking up much of your time. Now, you might wonder, why have bite-sized trailers become so popular? There are a few reasons. Attention spans are shorter in the digital age. People often prefer quick and engaging content that they can watch on the go, without committing too much time. Social media platforms favor shorter content. Bite-sized trailers fit perfectly into the feeds of platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where users scroll through content rapidly. They spark interest with minimal effort. By providing just enough content to pique curiosity, these trailers effectively encourage viewers to seek out the full movie, show, or game. Creating an effective bite-sized trailer involves a few key elements. Keep it short and sweet. Typically, these trailers are under 1 minute long. The goal is to convey the essence of your content quickly. Highlight the best parts. Choose the most exciting, funny, or intriguing moments to include in your trailer. You want to make a strong impression. Incorporate engaging visuals and music. Use eye-catching images and captivating music to draw viewers in and create a memorable experience. End with a call to action. Encourage viewers to watch the full content or follow your channel for more. A clear, compelling call to action can significantly impact viewer engagement. And that's a wrap on bite-sized trailers. We hope this video has shed light on what they are, why they're so popular, and how they're made. These small yet powerful previews are an excellent way to attract and retain the interest of your audience in a world flooded with content. So, next time you come across a bite-sized trailer, you'll appreciate the craft and intention behind it. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.